Wow, it flies like 30 centimeters off the ground.
Inside, man.
Make it go higher. No. Just like a real helicopter, it bounces. I'm actually kind of scared. Don't hit the roof. Oh my god. Save me.